Hello everyone, I'm pleased to share an important update about protected learning time, also known as PLT. PLT is part of the suite of Agenda for Change reforms across NHS Scotland. It's designed to give all staff dedicated time during working hours to focus solely on training, especially statutory, mandatory for all and role-specific modules. There has been a national approach taken to the statutory and mandatory for all learning, which colleagues from NHS D&G have been a part of. The outcome is a suite of 9 modules that all Scottish boards will complete with the same content and revalidation dates. PLT ensures you have protected, scheduled time to learn and grow within your working time. The new modules will be available for use on the 2nd of March 2026. So what does this mean for you? Here at NHS D&G, we're in a great position. All of our current mandatory modules already match the national suite, so you don't need to complete any new modules until your existing ones are due to expire. By giving you dedicated time for learning, we'll hope you'll feel more satisfied in your role and continue delivering the high quality care our patients deserve. It's also part of our commitment to modernising how we work and supporting your professional growth. So, what is the Turas Learning Passport? Think of it as your digital training tracker. When you log into Turas Learn, everything you complete is automatically recorded. Your e-learning modules, certificates, CPD activities and training history. Since the same modules are shared across NHS Scotland and available on both Turas and LearnPro, your learning passport goes with you, even if you move between boards. Right now, each board is reviewing whether any extra local details are needed to keep everyone compliant and meet the needs of NHS Dumfries and Galloway. The Learning and Development team will provide you with guidance on a simple 4-step process to sync your Turas and LearnPro accounts. Once your profiles are synced, any modules you complete in Turas, like CPT or mandatory for role training, will automatically update your LearnPro records. No duplicates or missing certificates. Learning and development teams are subject experts from each board and are now working on a Once for Scotland approach for your mandatory for role training. The module refresher periods for the statutory mandatory modules are slightly different to our current local modules. Details of this are provided at the end of this video and are also available on the ODL SharePoint site. If you have any questions about PLT, please reach out. So what is this going to mean for both managers and staff? Managers will play a key role in making PLT work. Plan and support making sure that your team has dedicated time set aside for statutory, mandatory and role-specific training. Checking your staff's progress will mean that during Turas appraisal, you will confirm if staff have completed the required modules within the allocated time. This is important as appraisals will be used as a reporting mechanism. It's going to be important to encourage the use of protected learning time. When staff start a new module, remind them to use their protected learning time so they're not trying to squeeze training into busy schedules. Making sure we provide guidance. If there are any local requirements or extra information, make sure your team knows what is expected of them. And as a member of staff, it's going to be important that you use your PLT to take advantage of the time provided for your learning and don't leave it until the last minute. It's also going to be important to complete the modules, stay up to date with your statutory mandatory training. If your current modules match the national suite, you only need to refresh them when they are actually due to expire. And then it's going to be about being honest. When starting a new module, confirm whether you're completing it during protected learning time. This helps us keep the system fair and effective. Ask for help. If you're unsure about what training you need or when, speak to your manager. They are here to support you. Ensure that you read the communications that are shared so that you're up to date and know where to go for any support. Thank you for making training a priority. It's not just about meeting requirements, about investing in yourself and the care that we provide together.